Asha, I call like you all have written to the central government, especially on Old Goa issue. What is this exactly?
See, Old Goa, we see so many violations. Violations galore. Every point we see violations. Heritage violations, to be more precise. There is some interpretation center which is coming, which is actually demolishing the old arsenal site. Like that, every point, there is a big bungalow over there which is violating the ASI World Heritage norms. So everywhere we find that there are violations Old Goa, there are some kiosks and illegalities going on. So many constructions everywhere. Plus now what we have cited is there are two Goas. One is Old Goa which is down and which is one on the hill. On the hill there are all pre-Portuguese monuments. There is one builder who has filled the moat completely. There is a Rajbeed which is being tarred. So there is Kadamba heritage, there is heritage of the Portuguese era, there is pre-Portuguese heritage also on top of the hill, Old Goa hill, which nobody is looking. So we have pointed out every aspect and written to the Ministry of Culture, Elvis Gomes, myself, Yogesh Nagvekar and others, Ministry of Culture, so that if ASI is not taking cognizance, the local ASI is not taking cognizance, state archaeology is not taking cognizance, at least the Ministry of Culture, central government should take cognizance of this because it is a World Heritage site. So we have pointed out to the violations all on the hill and below.
How many such violations could be there?
No, there are
roughly?
several. There are several. And every monument we see a violation. I'm not talking about the churches per se, but around the churches there are a lot of things that are completely being violated. So we have written about it.
And what
so
you have asked?
We have asked that there should be beyond 1 kilometer the whole thing should be frozen. It should be no development zone, and it should be, since it is a World Heritage site, there should be no development coming up within 1 kilometer from the World Heritage site.
तुम्ही ओके जेन्ना तुम्ही हें उलयता तेन्ना काल एक आमदारान स्टेटमेंट केलेलो आसा की ground+1 थिंगा पुलीस स्टेशन येता बा म्हणून. सो कॅन इट कम इन दॅट देन?
Let us see, we have also mentioned the police station. First of all, that arsenal which is there, they are putting up an interpretation center. Earlier we had fought for the wall, preservation of the wall. So now you see that piece by piece, every monument needs to be, means non-notified monument. We have pointed out to the non-notified monument. Notified monuments like Basilica, say Cathedral, they enjoy legal protection. But the unnotified monument in and around Old Goa and on top of the hill of Old Goa, like I told you, one builder is filling up the moat of the fort. Then there is the Rajbeed, which is of the old Royal Kadamba Road, that is being tarred. Then there is an ark. These are all endangered. There is the underground palace of the Sondekar. We have mentioned that needs to be protected. Underground palace of the Sondekar. It does not enjoy any legal protection, neither under ASI nor state archaeology, nor a panchayat is looking after it.
So what the MLA says की आमकां ती पुलीस स्टेशनाची गरज आसा आनी ते पुलीस स्टेशन फकत ground+1 आसा ते येवंक शकता जेन्ना तुमी 1 किलोमीटर बफर झोन उलयता पळय.
येवपाक शकना. When we have said that 1 kilometer, because that is not our this thing, it is a law, heritage, World Heritage law, where in a heritage site beyond 1 kilometer that nothing can come. So let us see, hoping for the best. Thank you.